What's up, guys? So I'm having an issue starting the car. I think it may be the fuel pump, but I don't know. I've taken out the relay here for the fuel pump, and I think this 30 fuse right here, I think I put that in when I put the Kenny Belt booster pump in there. This 10 fuse here was when I pushed these down, I don't know, it went down a little bit when I pushed it. But basically it's cranking over, but it won't start. Got a bunch of modifications done to this thing. And some of the videos that I've watched kind of alluded me to it's a fuel pump issue. But if you listen to when I turn the key and prime the fuel pump, I mean, it sounds normal. But then again, I don't know. So I'm gonna do that now. Not sure how good you could hear it in the video. You can kind of put it back here where the fuel pump kind of primes. See if that helps any. I'll go ahead and try and start it just to show you what I'm dealing with here. Well, this damn beeping noise. Not sure, guys. Let me know what you think. My first thought is the fuel pump. I don't know. I'll check the fuse and see what happens. See what it is. Let me know what you think.